how to use Buffer. So the social media manager kind of Buffer. Now, this is sort of a management tool that helps the individuals or even businesses schedule posts, manage multiple accounts, and even track performance from one dashboard. So if you want to go ahead and get started, you can open up your preferred browser and search for Buffer. Now, you're going to have to put in some specific words since something else may pop out, but as long as you find their website. So once you enter the Buffer website, you can go ahead and get started for free, or you could log in if for some reason you already have an account. So you can put in your email right here, but you can also press this button, which is to get started for free. Now you're going to put in your email, and then you can go ahead and create a password. And that's pretty much how you create your account. It's very simple, just an email and password. And once you enter, you'll be able to see, first of all, your channels. You can create if you'd like. There's even the community where people can share their ideas or even learn them. And finally, a start page. So if you want to go ahead and get started, you can start by connecting your accounts. So you can connect your Instagram, your Threads, LinkedIn, and lots more other channels you can take a look at. So whichever you prefer, you could do that, or you could do many at the same time. There's no limit to what you can do. And first of all, you can complete your setup if you'd like to connect your first channel, which is either of all of these options. You can save an idea, or you could publish your first post, but it's much better to do all of these so that your setup will be complete. Now you can also upgrade your Buffer over here if you'd like to unlock more features inside the tool or website. You can take a look at the plans over here. There's going to be a free option, which of course you'll already have. Essentials, which has these features over here, unlimited posts, ideas, but it only has one user count. If you want every kind of feature but for multiple users or multiple accounts, then you can upgrade to a team. But of course, it's going to be much more expensive. You can choose the monthly though if you'd like, but you'll save more if you go for the yearly, and you can compare every feature if you'd like. But other than that, after connecting your accounts, you can go to the publishing section, which is right here, and you can directly create your post from Buffer itself. So you don't have to go to those specific tools over here or specific channels. Just go ahead and choose what social media platform you want to post to appear, and then you can publish immediately or even schedule it for a specific date and time. You can do it multiple at once, but that pretty much just depends on you. So Buffer also lets you build a content queue, which automatically publishes posts at a preset time depending on what you want it to go for. So in the analytics section, which should just appear if you have a channel connected, you can go ahead and take a look at the engagement metrics. You can monitor it there, such as your likes, comments, shares, depending again, whichever channel. And you can reach to understand how your posts perform. This helps you adjust your posting schedule and content strategy to improve your results. But overall, Buffer simplifies social media management by combining scheduling, publishing, and performance tracking all inside their platform. So if you want to go ahead and learn more, it's all available here. There's a free option you can explore. But again, if you want more, you can always go ahead and upgrade. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.